Hi dears, today I've made instant Rava Appam. No need to grind or ferment. It is a good breakfast and dinner recipe. Have with veg or non-veg curry or even taste good with chutney. Let's start. You need 1 cup of Bombay Rava, 3/4 cup of flattened rice, also called avul or chivda. You have to wash it before adding. Add half cup of curd and half cup of grated coconut. It is optional, but it is good to add. It gives a good flavor to the appam. Add salt to taste. Add 1 cup of water and mix it well. Now close the lid and keep it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you have to grind it in a mixer. Add required amount of water and grind it to a fine paste. The consistency of appam batter should not be too thick or too thin. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of soda bicarbonate. Instead of that, you can add Hiiii fruit salt 1 teaspoon and mix it well. You can see the bubbles around. The soda starts to react. Now close the lid and keep it for 2 minutes. Hiiii reacts much faster than soda bicarbonate. And you can start making appam immediately if you add Hiiii. Remember to keep the flame in medium. You can see that bubble starts to appearing at the surface and break. Bubbles have covered the appam. Now close the lid and cook. Now soft and spongy appam is ready. Serve this hot with veg or non-veg curry or with chutney. Thanks for watching.